Now, change the pace a little. You know, we love our Lakeway police officers and appreciate all they do to keep our community safe. However, sometimes we get in trouble with them when we drive just a little bit too fast.
Police stop my car.